In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your schedule. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on Schedule. You should arrive at a page that says My Schedule, and a chart should appear with all of your scheduled shifts. You can view this in a daily, weekly, or monthly view. At the top of the chart, there is an arrow next to month. If I click on that, a drop-down menu will allow me to change the view. If I choose day, I will only see the current day. If I want to change that, I can use the arrows here to go forwards and to go backwards. I can also click this little calendar icon and choose a day from that drop-down menu. If I go back to the arrow next to day, I can choose week. And same thing, I can use the arrows to go back and forth, or I can go back to that monthly view. When I'm in the monthly view, notice there are two different types of entries on my schedule chart. Most of them are shifts I'm scheduled to work. At the very bottom is a leave request. So your leave requests will be in a different color so that you can tell which ones are shifts you're scheduled to work and which ones are your leave days. If you want to view the details of a specific shift, you can go to the last column in the chart and select Open in that action box. And now you can view the details such as the date, times, station, so what job you'll be performing, which employee, which should be you, and the location is underneath that gray chart. The location is for people who might have to work at different places, such as this person can work at 2 different restaurants. So this shift is for the after hours location. To go back to your schedule, go to your top menu bar and select My Schedule. And you should arrive back at your schedule. To learn how to accept the shifts in your schedule, check out the next video.